Alright, so here's a quick fix if you're having any wind noises through the door. As you can see, I put this little strip of a rubber seal along the door to kind of mesh with this seal. And according to my wife, we just went about 300 miles yesterday. She didn't hear it, and worked out pretty well. So that was 10 bucks on Amazon. Went to my Toyota dealership. They gave me such a hard time saying that they couldn't hear it, and it was almost kind of like a, oh, that's every Tundra, you're just gonna have to live with it kind of answer. So it was kind of baloney. But what I did was, right over here, I cut it off right here, and I cut it off right here, and this strip is a separate piece. So when my wife or kids, they start kicking that sucker off as they come in, I could just replace that seal and go to the next one. So I've had this on my 4Runner too for about, I don't know, 3 years, and it stayed on there. So we'll see how it runs on the Tundra. But other than that, that's a quick fix right now until Toyota gets their stuff together to really fix this little wind noise issue on the driver, or I mean on the passenger side. But there it is. Hopefully it helps you out.